If you're looking to start an online store but don't want to spend a lot of money up front, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to activate the Shopify $1 for 3 months deal, who is eligible, and what you can do during the trial to start making sales. What is Shopify $1 for 3 months? Shopify is offering a special promotion where new users can get 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month after completing the free trial. That means you can build your store, add products, and even start selling for almost nothing. This offer is available to new Shopify users. How to get Shopify 3 months for $1. Here's how to activate the offer in just a few minutes. Step 1. Click the link in the description to visit Shopify's official website. Step 2. Enter your email address, then click the arrow and enter your password. Step 3. Fill in your payment information or skip it for later. Step 4. Answer a few setup questions like what you want to sell and where you're selling from. Step 5. Access to your Shopify dashboard. Your free trial begins. Shopify will offer you 3 months for just $1 per month. Step 6. Choose your plan. At the top of your dashboard, click on Starter Plan, select Basic Plan. You can upgrade later. Step 7. Add your payment method. Confirm, and that's it. You're officially on the Shopify $1 plan. During these 3 months, you can build a professional online store, add unlimited products, connect a custom domain, accept payments, and much more. Click the link in the video description to start Shopify 3 months for $1 now.